See, the difference between me and you is that I just hit rock bottom. After this, I don't have a choice. I got people to provide for, promises I've made, and goals to meet. What you got? Come back.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? This is CheckMyRetros coming at you with my second unboxing of the day. Here we have a package I received from FedEx, and of course, trusty old box cutter. Alright guys, you see we have an orange Nike Sportswear box. It says Air Max 90 Premium. So guys, here we have it with the Air Max 90 Tiger camos. As you can see, the Flight Club sticker. Yes, that's how you know it's real. Flight Club. Premium grade A materials on these. I am very, very pleased. And here's the other shoe. I'm going to show you guys the other shoe. Alright guys, this is CheckMyRetros signing out. Stay tuned for a full video coming soon. Also follow me on Instagram and Twitter at CheckMyRetros. Alright guys, peace.